Oh no! My KitKat! Well, it's all crumbled. And what to do now? And I'll cook a KitKat cake. I'll take dark chocolate and grate it on a fine grater. That's it. Now you need to carefully put it in a bowl. That's it. I light a fire on the stove and put a saucepan on it. Pour some water, and after boiling, I set a bowl of chocolate on top. Now the chocolate needs to be melted in this water bath. The main thing is not to forget to stir. Voila! Liquid chocolate is ready. Now you need to pour it into a special silicone mold for solidification. But in the meantime, I'll do a biscuit. With the help of such a device, I separate the yolk from the whites. See how easy it is? I put the yolk in a separate bowl and add sugar to the whites. Let's start actively whipping it until you get such a dense foam. Take the yolk and add milk to it. Now mix. And sift flour into a bowl, just like that. Mix again. And after that, add our white foam. Perfect. Gently mix it so as not to let the air out of the foam. Now add a little liquid chocolate to the dough. Mix the dough. Make sure it's smooth. And you can put it to a baking dish. Pouring it in. The dough is inside, which means it's time to send the biscuit to bake in the oven for 30 minutes. And here are our cakes. A little cream on the stand, and let's start doing it. First the cake, then a layer of cream on it, the second cake, and another layer of cream. And finally, the whole cake is assembled. And it remains to cover it with cream. This dense layer of cream needs to be smoothed out so that the cake is perfect. Let's start decorating. These are the KitKat sticks. I'm going to put them around the perimeter of the cake. And the last one. Beautiful! The final touch is the KitKat label, so that it is immediately clear what kind of cake it is. In my opinion, it turned out just wonderful. And the cake is probably much tastier than an ordinary chocolate bar. And most importantly, it looks much more interesting. Thank you, friends. It was great. Put likes and subscribe to the channel. There are a lot of cool recipes waiting for you. I love cooking because I can't live without yummy food. Join me and don't be afraid to experiment. Write in the comments what your favorite food is. See you in the next video.